Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Listen, thank you.
This is why they are doing the illegal. So where are the owners? Pure economic sabotage. Illegal oil bunkering right inside the town. And apart from the economic sabotage we are seeing, you can also find out that this is also danger to the community here. In case if there is fire outbreak, it will engulf the whole place and lives will be lost. You can see a pit hole here. This is where most of these ones are being kept. You can see the bags, thousands of them.
This is a bunkering site because you can see over 700,000 liters of AGO, a petroleum product stolen by criminals. Last time we were at the creeks, but they have devised a means to even come to the town. This is Abonima Jetty. You can see this is a community being inhabited by people. If there's any form of fire incident, it will engulf the whole community. Apart from them being saboteurs of the economy of this country by stealing this oil, they also constitute danger to the citizens and the properties of people around here. Because if there's any fire incident, it will engulf the whole community. This is an act of sabotage, an act of environmental degradation. This will not continue. We will not allow this to continue. 2 weeks ago, we were at the creeks, and you people see how over 2.7 million liters of stolen crude was being refined illegally. The Chief of Naval Staff, Vice Admiral Emmanuel Ikechukwu Ogala, has given us this mandate that we must go to the creeks, go to the waters, go to the land, as we are seeing, this is the land, to make sure that oil theft in Niger Delta does not exist, at least to the barest minimum. We will not relent, we are not going to be deterred, even with all form of sabotage, all form of blackmail. We are going to do the right thing, and that is why we are here. We will continue both day and night to ensure that we bring this act of economic sabotage to the barest